The air above the Earth's surface is divided into different layers. The temperature of the air at different heights above sea level and the positions of the different layers are shown in this graph. What is the approximate air temperature 40 kilometers above sea level? Okay, so we have to use the diagram here now. We can see here that this is sea level, and then every block is another 10 kilometers, above the Earth's surface. So let's go to 40 kilometers above sea level, and that's at this line here. We can see here that we are inside the stratosphere, and the temperature, so this line here, is represented by the black line, clearly, and the temperature itself is just here. And if we go down, we can measure that to be most closely be approximately -20 degrees. So our answer here should be C, -20 degrees.